Hey y'all, so it is October 1st. Happy October. I'm doing a thing this October where I'm doing one costume a week for the entire month of October for stream. So I'm gonna be dressing up. And we're gonna start off strong with Pitbull. I'm gonna dress up as Pitbull, not the dog.
Mr. Worldwide.
So I'm gonna be transforming into Mr. Worldwide today. Right in front of your eyes. We should just get started. I got all the things. I have liquid latex, I have spirit gum, and then I have bald caps. Oh, I also got sunglasses. That's the cherry on top at the end. Okay. Doesn't even make sense. Okay, so I'm thinking that we get started with the bald cap, not just because I'm most excited about the bald cap, but also because after that we can put on like foundation and stuff and make it look as real as possible. So, okay, my camera is like, we don't want to look at that. Nobody wants to see that. Okay. Okay, let's not get ahead of ourselves. I first have to fit my head in here. I think I'm gonna braid my hair. I don't really know how to do French braids, to be honest. What I'm kind of worried about is like, if I do braids, is it gonna be lumpy? I'm thinking of just doing, because like I said, I don't know how to do French braids, but I do know how to do that like twisty thing that kind of looks like French braids, you know, where you like twist your hair. I just feel like this is gonna be lumpy. Maybe not. Maybe the sock will help. You might be asking, like, Heather, why are you doing this? Are you a huge fan of Pitbull, Mr. Worldwide? Obviously, as a teenager, as a millennial, when I was a teenager, I did enjoy the dances when they played his music. Pretty great. But what inspired me to do this was, I think he's still touring. Anyways, I started seeing these videos of people going to his concerts dressed up as him. So like bald caps, sunglasses, white shirt. And I think that's so funny. Kind of a mess, but like I said, you're not gonna see it. And then we're gonna like pin it to the back once I have my other braid done. And I kind of want it, I want to be there. So since I can't be there, I'm gonna just do it by myself. We're braided. Meet me at the motel holiday. All right, let's pin these braids back. I think I'm just gonna like, I don't know what you can see, but I'm gonna wrap them like that. This is what people do, right? When they put on bald caps. But also I'm wondering if that sock thing is gonna be able to hold it up and like really, I'm hoping it really smooths things out. Smooth bald head. We are not at the hotel motel Holiday Inn yet. All right, let's see if I can get this sock on. Wait. Can this? Hold on. I'm getting scared now. What is this for freaking newborns? Pitbull might be getting green hair. This is not the edge of my forehead. There we go. Okay. I just want it to be smooth. Okay, the other sock. You chicken strips. Don't judge. Oh my god, it's so lumpy in the back. This is not how you do this. I should have looked this up. I didn't. I didn't look anything up about how to apply a bald cap. I have these directions that show how to apply it onto an already bald person. Nice. Let's put our head condom on. I'm about to go swimming. My ear's on the inside of the thing. Wait, come out. I need you. Nothing is out of the ordinary here. Spirit gum. Using a brush, apply to clean, dry skin and wait a few seconds until spirit gum begins to dry. Tap area gently with fingers until gum feels tacky. The tapping will speed up the process. Oh, really? Oh, wait, that's theatrical hair. Oh my god. What the frick is the brush smushed on the bottom? That means the brush is going to be bent, right? Yes.
Who does have a lot of hair, you're going to want to put it in a low pony right at the nape of the neck to kind of hide the tail of hair at the back of the head. You because you don't really want to be stuffing that under the bald cap because it'll make lumps and make your head shape look really weird. So unless you have short hair, you can't really do that. So you want to do a nice little low pony at the back.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I don't even think I said that at the top of this video. Let's just pretend. Hi guys, how's it going? Today we're gonna be turning into Pitbull. Not the dog, but the musician. They used hair gel in their video. I don't think I need to do that. I also don't want to, and I also don't think I have any hair gel. A low pony. Ta-da! I don't know if you saw it. Hopefully you did. Look at that. That's so much better. Oh my god. We are nearly bald. Kinda. Hey, if you want a great video about how to put on a bald cap properly, I'm gonna link this video down in the description. Alright, I just found out that these kind of bald caps, these like latexy ones or whatever this is, aren't good. You're supposed to get these like thinner, whatever. This is my one day of looking like Pitbull. All right, this isn't for professionalness. Look how bald I look. I'm gonna start gluing. I'm just gonna do it. I'm literally, shut up. I'm doing it right now. I was like, oh, I'm gonna get Q-tips just like she used. I only have 3 Q-tips left. Awesome. I'm gonna take my spirit gum and we're gonna do a little dippy dip. That looks disgusting. Okay, well, I'm gonna get in here and I'm gonna just spread some out and I'm gonna put some also on the bald cap. And I know it said something about tacky or whatever the my skull has a cape. What am I doing? Okay. Oh my goodness. I'm putting too much on and it's touching my hair. Along with this stuff, it also has the remover. So hopefully that means I won't be losing any of my hair. Okay. I need scissors. Can I use my fabric scissors? I bet y'all are saying no. All right, I'm gonna put like what she did was like put a little hole like near her ear and then pulled her ear through it. I'm kind of nervous that this is just gonna split and not turn into a nice hole. It's gonna be a mean hole. The hole's not big enough. Just wait. Just wait. Just wait a second. Just wait a second. Just gotta open it a little more. This is just the first time that I've ever had to oh no. Look at that. Careful not to cut your ears, everyone. That's totally doing this with me. We at the hotel motel. Yeah, this is how you cut stuff. All right, let's try this. This is a perfectly reasonable ear hole. Okay. Okay. Oh, good. My hair is in it. Let's press that down. Apparently Pitbull has gauges now, so I don't know if you knew that, but he does. We're kind of getting bald. We're kind of turning. This feels secure. Let's cut away the excess or something. So I'm cutting away the excess now, and then I'm gonna use liquid latex to hopefully blend the edges into my skin. Okay, I'm gonna let this fully dry. I'm actually really surprised with how it is looking. Liquid latex. This is gonna be fine and it's gonna work. I'm gonna be using a sponge, a paint sponge. It's normal and fine. All right, just a little dippy inside. And then I kind of just want to like blend this. Does that make sense? This is gonna be fine. This is gonna be fine. If it can make monster skin, then it can make my skin. It does dry clear, so that's cool. I'm having so much fun. I highly recommend that you guys just say it. I'm putting on a bald cap today. All right, I'm gonna let that dry and then we'll see what it looks like. All right, it's looking and feeling dry. It's like slightly tacky. I'm gonna go in with like a setting powder, set it a little bit because I feel like if I put foundation on top of that, it might be weird. Forget about your boyfriends and meet me at the hotel. Would you meet me at the hotel? Don't worry, I would say no to. Lady with a bald cap.
Meet me at the hotel.
Let's start applying foundation. I'm also going to do concealer because, listen, Pitbull probably gets great sleep. I don't know, but he doesn't have this. So, She Glam to make me turn into Pitbull. Oh my god. I'm going to start with, you know, just my face. Okay. I'm going to have to put foundation over my whole head. We're almost at the hotel. We are almost there. Okay, we can kind of still see the line. We can see the line between the liquid latex and my skin. So that's good. We're gonna need so much of this freaking foundation. Doesn't have to be perfect on the bald cap. I just want it to blend into my face skin. Wow, I'm looking bald, dude. Blend that, you know? You think Pitbull wears makeup? Maybe like a little concealer or something? Gotta get the cranium. Let's see what the back looks like. Oh. Oh my god. Wow, this is like really weird. Yes! I tied the bald cap into my hair tie. That is insane. Let me just do a little bit of concealer for my eyes. It's kind of freaking me out, I'm not gonna lie. I'm like normal SpongeBob. Hi, how are ya? Normal Bob. Great weather we're having. Who is that girl I see staring straight back at me? Somehow I turned into Mr. Worldwide. I'm gonna put bronzer on. Yeah. It's Mr. Worldwide coming at you. Oh my god. Okay, yes, I did my eyebrows. How I normally do them. Shut up. I'm addicted to doing my eyebrows and I just like blacked out for a second and then eyebrows happened. Hey. It's Mr. Worldwide. Forget about your boyfriend, just meet me at the hotel room. You can bring your girlfriends and meet me at the hotel room. Meet me at the hotel holiday. Wait, I think I'm selling it. Don't see the hair. He mostly like buttons up this part, but I kind of need the collar up to hide my hair. And also when I button this, it kind of gives like undercover chef cop vibes, and I do not want to give cop vibes at all. I'm trying not to smile like how I normally do. I'm trying to be like, you know, the audacity of a man, the level of audacity that men have. Hey. Hey. The one time I could have not shaved my mustache. It could have come in handy. Natural mustache. All right, y'all. Thanks for hanging out with me while I turn into Mr. Worldwide. Pitbull. Mr. Worldwide. I'm probably going to, like I said, I'm going to be doing one costume a week this month. So I'm probably going to film all of them, right? Because that would be fun. My next one, actually, I'm not going to tell you my next one. All right, I'm going to get ready for stream. I have about like a half hour. Just gonna twiddle my thumbs in my bald cap. Yeah, as you're watching this, Mr. Worldwide stream has already happened, but you could tune in for the next one. Anyways, thanks so much for watching this. I really hope that you enjoyed it. Anyways, I'll see you in the next video. I love you to absolute death. Make sure you give this video a like. Let me know how you think I did. And I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye. Forget about your boyfriends.